There are three most important things for conversion rate optimization for your e-commerce website. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about the secret conversion rate optimization formula for successful e-commerce website. Watch this video till end so you will not miss out anything. This formula or guide is very basic but very important for your e-commerce website and for your e-commerce business. So you will increase the revenue day to day and you will not miss any sales from your customers. So let's get started. Myself Hardik Patel from eComHardy.com, and here I have an example website called theli.com.au. So number one, when your customer visits your website product page, make sure your product page is well optimized. Well optimized means even though this product page is very basic looking, simple and not complicated design, you see here there are a lot of things going on here. First of all is main product image is showing up here, and there is on the right hand side, there is a title in bold format, easy to read. There is a sale price mentioned here in different color font, so clearly visible in comparison to the regular price. There is a sale badge. There is also like more information about the shipping policy provided here. Customer can simply click here and shipping policy page will open up. Also, you can see customer can adjust the quantity before adding to the cart, easily add to cart. There is an express checkout button as well available, so customer can directly purchase the item without going to the cart page or checkout page by clicking this button. So in your case could be buy with PayPal or buy with Google Pay or Apple Pay, whatever. So customer can simply click that. There is a more payments option link provided here, so customer can check out whether their preferred payment gateway is available on this website or not. Here an additional like get notification when price drop below 19.95 or whatever form or button is available directly underneath, so customer can simply click to that button and sign up to that notification from here. Okay, also there is the stock quantity mentioned directly on the product page. Underneath of the add to cart button there is a review provided, so if customer sees the review it will tempt customer and it will give the confidence to the customer to purchase this item. Customer can check out the review just by clicking to that. All the reviews will be viewed here. Customer can also review this product by simply clicking the right review. Underneath of that there is a basic information provided regarding the shipping and return, so free shipping Australia wide. Customer can expand this tab and read, we use this Australia wide post, expect our parcel within 2 to 8 business days, which is good. So customer would know that he or she can expect the item to be delivered within 2 to 8 business days once customer make the purchase. Also about the return, so if customer want to return after receiving the item, if he or she didn't like the product or have any issues with the product, here is the return policy provided directly for the customer to read from the product page itself, which is very neat and good. If customer scroll down here, there are more recommendations provided here, so customer directly look into those things which are related products, and maybe customer can purchase more product or add more product to the cart while purchasing this particular product. There is an additional thing going on here like a newsletter subscription, so customer can subscribe to newsletter where customer will be notified if there would be any codes or deals or discounts or any update on new products or exclusive promotions available on the store. And also customer will be rewarded with $10 off on next order when he or she subscribe to this newsletter, which is good. So this is well optimized product page. Even though it's a basic and simple looking product page, doesn't matter. I know some of you might say, oh, I want to make the product page very fancy looking. Yes, you can go with that. There is nothing wrong with that. You can design your product page up to your expectation as long as it is well optimized in a way I explain here. The second thing in the guide is website load time. So how fast the website is getting loaded once customer visit to your website. Let me close this tab. So if customer goes to the home page, it should be loaded within 3 seconds. Anything above 3 seconds will make customer leave the website. So let me go to any product page like 1, 2. After clicking to the product, within 2 seconds it loads, which is good. It is well optimized and very fast website. That's what you want. If customer visit any pages like any category page like electronics, see, not even 2 seconds, not even 1.5 seconds, within 1 second it loads, which comes under the Google's best practices. So let me show you again. Click here, 1, 2. So not even 2 seconds and customer can see the product page, or contact page 1. Within 1 second, he can visit the page. At the bottom, if customer go to the footer, he or she can check out the contact details here. Also check out what payment gateways or payment methods available. Also all the other relevant pages like policy pages of refund policy, privacy policy, terms and service, shipping policy, contact information. Everything is provided here directly. Customer can subscribe to email newsletter as well. So it's very good. So if your website loading time is more than 3 seconds, you have to worry about losing sales. So you make sure you check into that. If you're using WordPress, WooCommerce website, make sure you have right caching plugin installed. If you are having Shopify website, make sure you have right caching app install. I have provided my recommendation in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Another thing I forgot to mention is when customer adds any product to the cart, when customer click add to cart, there is a small pop-up shows item added to cart. Customer can click view cart and customer can make some changes to the cart by adding or increasing or decreasing the quantity here. Customer can make a direct purchase directly from the cart before going to the checkout with the express checkout settings here. There is Google Pay, PayPal and ShopPay options available, which is good, very optimized. Now, if somehow customer willing to go to the checkout page, he or she can go to the checkout page by clicking to checkout here. And checkout page is also nice looking and very easy to understand and easy to fill out. There is only one page checkout, which is good. Nobody likes 3-page checkout. As long as customer know that he or she only have to enter the data within this page and simply click pay now, he or she won't go away. If it's a repeat customer, he or she can log in, so don't have to fill out unnecessary data here. Customer can do also use express checkout directly from checkout as well. It is well optimized here. That's what you want, and that's how you will not lose sale. Third thing in the list is how customer can contact you directly from the website. So customer visits your website and check out the home page or all other pages, check out the product page, etc. He finds the product he's looking for. He or she looks for each and everything mentioned in the product page, but still have some sort of questions related to the product or services. And if he wants to reach out directly to you and wants the help as quickly as possible, so he or she can purchase the product. If you provide the live chat support directly on the product page itself on your website, it's amazing. Customer can reach out to you directly via chat support and he or she can ask the question directly from the chat support. Customer can chat with you or chat with your business support, and once customer get the answer directly straight away, and now he is ready to make a purchase. Also, it is good for the after purchase experience for the customers, and it builds the trust to the customers. If the customer is trying to reach out to you after hours and couldn't find the answers directly from the chat, of course, if you have the contact us page directly on the main menu, he or she can fill out the contact us form. As long as you follow all these tips I mentioned in this video, you will see the boost in the conversion in next coming days. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorial videos on this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified fast as soon as I upload any useful content on this channel. Please thumbs up to this video if you like this video and comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, thank you for watching. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye.